Hey guys, so today I'm going to start a new series called Side Projects. So basically, it's where there are tiny side projects every week that you can learn instead of just one main playlist type of thing. So you can do every week. Or you can do the full series, then you can learn the other stuff. But, okay, so I hope you've seen my other video. Go and check it out. The link is in the description. Because you need to know how to download Python and Visual Studio Code. Again, go to my video. I've linked it down below. So, now you've created your Python file. We're just going to use the same one that we did on my first video. Just go and look and just go and find out, and if you know how to, then create one, and if you don't know how to, then just go ahead and watch my video. So now we're gonna click File, Open File, or Control O. So now a pop-up will appear, and now you must select the file that we were using in the video that I published. Again, link in the description. So go ahead and click on it to open. Click on the file, then click open. Now we've opened it. Okay, so now we're gonna learn about Pygame. The way to download Pygame is that whenever you install Python, you have to go into command prompt or click on the magnifying glass or whatever you click to write something. Then write command prompt if you're on Windows. And if you're on Mac, I believe it's terminal. Yeah, I think terminal. So now you open that, you write pip space install install space pygame. Okay, now after you wrote that, press enter and then wait for it to install completely. And whenever it says it installed successfully, now you can start using Pygame. First you're going to write import Pygame. Make sure that whenever you write Pygame, this pop-up or whatever you call this, it says Pygame here. Let's enter. Now write Pygame.init and then parentheses. So now you're ready to start Pygame. So now you've imported Pygame, you've initialized Pygame. So now we're going to learn how to create a screen. Okay, so now we're going to create a Pygame window. So first, we have to write background color. You can change this because this is a variable. So you can change this from background color to, for example, BG, and it would still work. I'm gonna call it BG. Equals, and then this is RGB. If you've never heard of it, the link is in the description for a name, for a video explaining RGB. So for black, it's 0, 0, and 0. And so now you can name these anything you want because these are also variables. Okay, so now that you've written this, you can change this to anything, so it doesn't really matter what you change it to. So now, this is how big you want your screen to be. So I want mine to be actually 600 by 900. 900. There. And so now, for the next one, you can also change this. I'm going to call it screen. And then you have to write exactly what I write right now. Pygame dot display dot set. Wait one sec. Set mode. And next, you must put two parentheses, two front parentheses and two closing parentheses. Now you have to write your variables there. Width, height. Now we have written this. Let's move on to the next one. Write exactly what I write here. This is not a variable. Pygame dot display dot set caption Now you can change this to whatever you want. I'm gonna follow it. There. I'll call it that. And now screen dot fit. You must write this. Now BG. Now that you wrote that, let's move on to the next one. Now we have to set another variable. You can change this to whatever you want. I'm gonna call it run. But you must write true here. This is a boolean. A boolean only has two variables, two types, true or false, nothing in between. Run equals true. Now, Pygame dot display dot flip. Now we can write our variable here. Now you must follow. This is a while loop. While loops are used that while a condition is met, you can do something, and pretty much you get like it explains itself. Okay. While running. If it's a boolean, I believe that you do not have to write equals, like you have to do for like if this was 1, like if this was 1, then I don't have to write while running equals 1. Okay, so anyways, for loop basically explains itself, but I'll explain it. So a for loop basically means that for whenever this condition is, it's basically the same as a while loop, only that you just say it a bit differently. For event in, that's like, it explains itself. I don't have to explain every time. Inside of the event, Pygame.event.get. So this is the same as a while loop, only worded a bit differently, and it comes with a different outcome. Okay, anyways. So right now, inside of Pygame that we just imported, we're basically saying that whenever, for whatever's it for the event inside of Pygame.event is basically saying get the event that Pygame is running right now. And now here we must write an if statement. If event.type equals Pygame. This must be capital QUIT. It must be this. Then it's an if statement. I explained it in my first video. Then we change run from true to false. Now that is that. So yeah. Oh, so this is importing Pygame and like starting to make it work. The lines 4 to 5 is explaining what the color of the background is and the size of the screen of the window is. And now lines 7 to 8 are basically saying, line 7 is saying that set caption. So right now Pygame is here and it's display. That means, that means I have to check my display module. Don't mind it saying missing module, it's just, forget it. Set caption pretty much says, so for the title of the application, when it's run, what should it be called? You can name it whatever you want. And then screen.fill is basically saying, okay, so fill the application screen with this color. Or you can put a picture. You'll learn that later. And then run is just a boolean that's basically saying this is pretty much just saying that run is true. While run, oops, I wrote it wrong. Oop, there. So now I've explained while and for and an if in my last video. And now, so it's pretty much just saying, so Pygame, what's the event? And now it's like, okay, tell me what the event is. And it's like, if the event is Pygame.quit, then disable run. Pretty much shutting down the whole application. And I forgot to explain. Pygame.display.flip. I think it just flips display. I don't think it works if you don't put that. I think it's like sort of rendering it. It's just called flip. Okay, so that's the video. Remember to like and subscribe, please. And peace out.